Alright, so we're going out to the workshop and testing out the video at the same time. Now over there you can see where we putting up drywall yesterday. Still needs to be mudded and painted. This doesn't really get much of a good range. Maybe there's some sort of lens I can use for it. Actually, let's see what we can see. Okay, we can have the camera set up like right here, or closer, depending on what it looks like after the couch is here. Gotta replace that glass there, the glass in the bottom window there, and lots of other miscellaneous shit. Alright, well, we'll see how this does and then I'll get back to work. See you.